So guys, finally, Ambrain Wise Crest Pro is on sale right now. So you can grab this watch. It's basically an upgrade for Ambrain Wise Crest, yes, with a larger display. So guys, I will tell you a few things about this watch, and you can find best buy link in the comment section, or you can find the best buy link in the description section. So guys, this watch is having larger display, but there are few plus points and few negative points of this watch. So let's get started. So you will get this watch for 2499 rupees right now, and it's on sale on Flipkart. So guys, go grab it. But there are few minor things you need to know before buying this watch. First of all, this watch is having larger display. It's a plus point, or it's a negative point, you can say, because if you have a larger wrist, you can definitely go for this watch. If you have a medium or skinny wrist, you are not eligible to wear this watch basically, because this watch will look ugly on your wrist. And second thing, it's basically a rugged smartwatch. Not everyone will wear this watch like for every occasion. So second negative point is this one only. Third negative point is basically you will not get any games in this watch. You will get calculator although, you will get calendar although, but you will not get any games in this watch itself. So three basically things are negative in this watch. So let's talk about positive points in this watch. First of all, it's an rugged smartwatch, and whosoever wants a rugged smartwatch, whosoever goes to gym and uses roughly their smartwatches, definitely this watch is definitely a better option for them. And second thing for this watch is big display. Yes, you will get best screen to body ratio, so that you can interact more with your watch. So second thing is this. So the plus point of having a larger display is the interaction with the UI. Third thing in this watch is basically you will get a calling feature, single chip connectivity option. So that's also a great thing. So whosoever wants a rugged smartwatch with calling feature, definitely go for this watch. And the fourth plus point regarding this watch is basically you will get a rotating crown option in this watch. Yes, you have seen in past some brands launched a few watches like Boat Wave Armor, or you can say the lower version of this watch, Ambrain Wise Crest. That too doesn't have rotating crown option, but this watch is having rotating crown option with 2 into more buttons. So there are certainly 3 buttons in this watch itself. So ease of access is good in this watch itself. You will get heart rate monitor, SP2 level monitor, and extra UI menu styles option in this watch itself. And this watch also supports Google Fit and Apple Health. So guys, there are tons of features which are more genuine in this watch as compared to the older version of this Ambrain Crest basically. So guys, definitely you can grab this watch right now, and the plus points are more than the negative points. And I think at a price of 2499 rupees, it's a massive great deal. But they should have included AMOLED display. If they would have done, the price of this watch would be around 2999 or 3499. That too good. But right now the display quality is again good at this price, 2499 rupees, and it's definitely a bigger upgrade as compared to Ambrain Wise Crest, if we compare directly to Ambrain Wise Crest, because Ambrain Wise Crest is having 1.3 inches of display, and this watch is having 1.52 inches of larger display. So guys, this watch is suitable for large wrist basically. So guys, go grab it. I will give you best buy link in the description box, and maybe from tomorrow the price will go high up, and you will get this watch for 3499 rupees or 2999 rupees. So guys, go grab it. You will get 4 or 5 color shades of this watch, and I think cameo black or cameo brown option is also a great thing. But if you want a black variant, you can definitely go for black one also. And for girls, I think cameo black or gray is a good option if you want this rugged smartwatch. So guys, we will meet again. It's a small alert video for you all, and till then, bye bye.